How to add Clyde bots to your Discord server. What's up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you guys a quick way from which you can easily add Clyde bot to your Discord servers. As you guys know, Discord has officially shut down its AI chatbot Clyde and it's no longer working, but you can still add it to your server. So let's see how you can do it, but before we do that, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you get notified about our latest uploads. Alright, let's continue. So right here on my Discord server, right here on the general chat, what you want to do first is type in / and then ban, click enter. And on the user ID, you will have to paste this user. You can take a screenshot or copy this code right here. So this is the code. And once you do that, all you have to do is press next or enter. So this is the ID for ClydeBot and press enter. And once you do that, it's sending the command. Once you do that, something like this will appear, this message that's saying Clyde banned from the server. And after you do that, you want to head over to your server settings. And on your server settings, on the left side of your screen, you will see the banned list. Click right here. And as you can see, the Clyde bot has been banned here. Now you can just click on revoke ban. And after doing this, Clyde will be reinstated to your server. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.